How to exit brain rot. Brain rot is a slang term used to describe a feeling of mental exhaustion, often resulting from overconsumption of specific types of content. It's commonly associated with binge-watching TV shows, playing up video games excessively, or spending up too much time on social media platforms. These are the signs of having brain rot. Getting bad grades, procrastination, being unable to focus, lack of productivity, and neglect of health. Tips to correct brain rot. Recognize the problem. The first step to fixing any problem is admitting that you have one. Evaluate if your current interest use is helping or hurting your future self. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries for when and how much time you'll spend on the content in question. For example, if you're spending all day on TikTok, you might want to make a rule that you only use it between the hours of 8 to 11 p.m. and only after your homework is done. Don't take everything as fact. If you see something or someone says something that doesn't sound right to you, don't take it as fact. Use Google to look up what they're talking about and whether it's actually true. Move your body. Exercise releases a chemical called dopamine in your brain, a feel-good neurotransmitter that makes you feel more positive. Create an easy exercise routine that you love and do a workout before you get on social media and use content as a reward. Lastly, use productivity tools. Use various apps and tools that can help you monitor and block distracting contents. Let's continue to grow stronger and together.